everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the bell icon for more videos. Here are some coffee table ideas. If your coffee table is looking a little lackluster, try some of these easy tips and ideas to refresh it. Leaving a coffee table bare is a missed decorating opportunity. A coffee table is basically the centerpiece of the living room, but it can be tricky to know exactly how to style it. What do you put on it? How much do you put on it? And what's the sweet spots between crusted and cluttered? Ultimately, you should always go with what's practical in your household and what you like, not just what's trendy. But it's helpful to see how designers and decorators zhuzh up coffee tables in their space. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. For interesting videos, press the bell icon. So we have rounded up some of our favorite coffee tables, decor ideas for tips and inspiration you can use in your home. This one might seem obvious, but it's an idea people often overlook because it's so simple. Make a small plants the stir of your coffee table. This pared down approach is easy to maintain and it can breathe more life into your space. This look naturally fits into a minimalist aesthetic as evidenced in the space above, but you can also consider this if you are maximalist, contrasting a busy room with a simple focal point on the coffee table. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.